Texas was fun, but I can tell you it's so much better to be back in the great state of Tennessee. Well, you know what? I just met you guys, but I missed you. I really did. I missed you a lot last week. And you know what? Misty said you guys had a great time and that you did great work. And I can see that. I was looking at your websites. I can see on your PLNs that you did a great job getting that set up and you've got a great start on your bio pages. But she also mentioned that the little silly video last week actually helped a little bit. So I'm going to do another one. We're going to do some screencasts.
All right, let's start on our announcement page and take a look at what you need to do to be ready for class. So first of all, on your website, keep working on your About Me bio page and keep editing and refining that. Remember, 3 paragraphs. You can look at page 9 in your packet for more details. Some of you have added an image, and that's fantastic. Others of you have not, so it makes me wonder if you're having difficulty. We haven't covered that. I don't know, maybe Misty talked about it, but if you go to your About Me or bio page, I'm going to take you to our test site, and if you went up to the upper right hand corner where there's a little icon of an image, remember that's for editing, click on that little icon. It goes into edit mode, and you notice that by seeing all the little editing options across the top. I click on insert. I want to insert an image. Now first, one thing I always make sure is that before the first line, the little cursor's blinking. And you'll notice in this one, right before the eye, you see the little cursor blinking? So now I go to insert, image, and then in this case I'd already pulled this image up, but if you needed to go upload it, click on upload image, and then wherever it is on your computer. In this case it was on the desktop, and you can see the image right here. If I clicked on it, I could click open, and because I already had one there, you're going to see a second one pop up. But I click on the image I want, and then click OK, and then first it puts the image right above the text. Now if I want it to wrap the text around it, and this will pop up, you'll see right here, wrap on. So I'll mouse over, click on that, and then it will wrap the text around the image. In this case, by default, the image is on the left-hand side. If I want it on the right, I click on Align Right, and it moves the image over. Text is nicely wrapped around it. Click Save, and wonderful, look at that, awesome. So let's see what else we got. PLEs, PLNs, finish setting those up. I believe you already have your image of your network from what I recall looking at all of them. Some of you may still be working on your annotation. Finish that in the table. Now the other thing I wanted you to do, look at this neat little video that's on YouTube, Lifelong Learning for Teachers. It covers PLEs and PLNs. It's really nice, very informative. The other thing you were working on was a website evaluation, and I understand there's some issues with the PDF, the fillable PDF, so do the best you can with that. If you can type some in, save it. If you don't have enough room to type everything you need, you can print it out and handwrite it in, or if you need to, you can use the hard copy that's in your packet and handwrite it, and then we'll talk about how to get that on your website. Only one article to read this week, 7 things you should know about blogs. So check that out. The other thing I want to point out, if you go under our class page for Beard Section 5, Spring 2017, and look beside your name, the content area. Look and make sure I entered the right information there. If I didn't, just let me know. I'll fix it. The other thing, you should see a link or see that your website is now hyperlinked. So you should be able to click on that and it should take you to your website. Again, if somehow I've linked it to the wrong site, just let me know. I'll get that fixed, but click on it. The other thing, there's a couple of folks that still have it set to private, or at least where you have to have UT credentials. So make sure you've made it public access, so public for all. Remember, I shared that last week. If you go up to the share blue button, click on it, make sure it's set to the public status. So let's see, the other thing is the videos I keep posting. So if you go to our evening class calendar, you can look and make sure you see the classes that are on the big calendar and which classes we will be covering in the evening class schedule. So for this next week, we're covering classes 5 and 6. And the other thing, if you click on the course videos link right above at the top, then these videos that I'm sharing, I'm going to share them in an announcement, but you'll also be able to come back to this page and take a look at it. All right, well, I think that's enough for now. So I look forward to seeing you guys this week. And again, it's so great to be back in Tennessee.